What is up, guys? McAfee Speed coming at you. Extremely spicy episode for you today, following up on what we checked out on the live stream last week. Got our powder-coated steel torso targets out at 12 yards at this point because they are very small comparatively to a full-size steel torso target. We got our Hatsan Invader in 22 caliber, and we got Crossman Premier hollow points online, guys. Unfortunately, because this is federal land, I do have to have this face covering on at this point to be here, but by the same token, it's a beautiful day to enjoy the Hatsan Invader and those great looking targets that we fabricated this week. Let's go ahead and get our Crossman Premier hollow points loaded up and see what we can do at 12 yards with the Hatsan Invader. Right. Guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am to ring the steel. I know you probably want me just to go ahead and shoot already, but by the same token, I've been building up to this for a whole week trying to get some lead on this steel. Let's see what happens, guys. Oh, operator error. Oh! Now just to note, gentlemen, if you do pull the trigger when the magazine goes dry with the Hatsan Invader, you will have a failure to fire next time because the sear has already been released. If you go ahead and fire this rifle after the magazine goes dry, you will need to go ahead and re-wrap this bolt after you remove the mag. Alright guys, let's get a second magazine downrange and see if we can't keep bringing that steel. Oh, not good there. Moving on. Not quite the showing I hope to put out for you guys. Let's go ahead and get something with a scope and see if we can't do a little bit better with the 25 caliber Blitz. Alright gentlemen, as I've stated many times previous, my eyes are not what they used to be and I have big scopes on my rifles for a reason. Let's see if we can't put a pounding on these plates with the Hatsan Blitz in 25 caliber, semi-automatic, clicking it off pretty much as quick as we can, guys. Let's get right into it. Here we go. Now that's more the showing I wanted to give you, gentlemen. Alright gentlemen, no segment on steel targets would be complete if I didn't transition you to the larger size and give you the larger ones that we actually powder coated earlier this week. We got that disco purple bass boat and we got this radioactive man up on top. We'll go ahead and get the 25 caliber Blitz loaded back up and see if we can't ring this steel, guys. Let's get right into it. Alright gentlemen, in an effort to give you the absolute best show possible every single time, I went ahead and gave you a double mag load up of the 35.8 grain Seneca rounds. That's the heaviest rounds that I own for my 25 caliber Blitz, so I think we'll get a really great reaction from the steel torsos downrange. Let's get right into this, guys. Never gets old. There's something really genuinely cool about a reciprocating open bolt, guys. And firing. And mag number 2, firing. That never gets old. There is just something intrinsically cool about ringing the steel, gentlemen. I think it's going to be a great place to end today's episode, but if you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so that you can stay current on the channel as well as when videos come out. If you really like this video, make sure you share it so somebody else can see it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.